I'm Maxine.
And I'm James.
And this is Shelling Out. So today we are finally on our way to the dry dock to see what kind of state the steel is in on this boat.
Yeah.
So today's the moment.
The grand reveal.
It is, yeah. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything's okay or better than what we expect it to be. And yeah.
Yeah, well, so we're going down to a boatyard not far from where we're moored at the moment, and we're going to get the boat craned out. So we're going to be out for a month, and then hopefully we're going to be able to get the boat running, as well as all watertight and all the steel work welded up, hopefully. But we shall be documented on the way.
Yeah, so it'll be craned out later on this morning, and then obviously during that process we'll video it and show you it being craned out, so you'll see it at the same time as we'll sort of see what sort of state the bottom of it is in. So yeah, stay tuned and
hope you enjoy this video.
Cheers guys.
Thanks. Hopefully this is the last time of having to move this boat like this. We should be able to get the engine running and stuff now, so happy days.
We've got a gust in. We'll have to slow down, we're going too fast now. Put your tiller across your
Tiller it up, boy. Put force behind it.
The engineers of all the boatmen have actually renewed the economy cycle.
Having problems with the grind?
Still? Yeah. Well, we'll put the sail down now.
Take the sail down. No more sail away.
Let me get the other.
What, not a bad bottom?
Not bad at all.
Nah, I didn't think it was. We'll soon find out.